MC Rob time. Hope I get down, yo. Yo, it's a fuss, as you must hush hush, that's what's up, as I take this bus, no cutter, the blitter, no bibble fabble, plain scrabble, Alabama, sliver slabber, West Virginia, Scooby-Doo, is what to do, when they come for you, super slew for what you know, although as is, tis, a rally, are y'all ready, getting busy, follow me a mystery, living in misery, Alexander, Sandler, Plaster, Master, Keylock, I got it on lock, fucking ripping up spots with my knots. Landing, zoom abandoned, lyrical cannon, met a girl Shannon. Back in the day, Spoodercon. Break it down, rock slide, speed a cow, block a blow, Jason, mark out. Go smoke me an owl, train, crazy brain, boy psychotic, blowing out the phonics, spitting the ebonics, playing Sonic. Yo, I got the fucking whip appeal for what it's worth. Like the dirt McGirt, I'll be hurt in the dirt. Got a vociferous, mammatorious voice and opinion. Spill a song, caught in the fog. Touring smog, running in the rain, on the kingdom I reign. Go play me a video game, chilling with rain. And shout out to Eminem, lyrics to the last end. Call out the band, don't really know ya, as they call me the stitter, blitter, particular. I got the vocabulary, shaving off my fucking hair on my head. Don't ever swear, oh yeah, I said it before. As I chill with the mad whore, can't say any curses. No time driving in Hertz's, no rehearsal, spitting the verbals, huffing on herbals. Let me school ya, they call me the stitter. I gotcha in my eclipse, waiting for the apocalypse. Not spitting with the lips, totally flow. For what you know, oh no, for what you want. Check out the style that I flaunt, going on for miles wide, like the MC and table, fill a label, not doing cane, crazy brain, psychosis, breathing through osmosis, I'll be the most, zipping my best rhymes that are best, manifest, best cast, as y'all slept in the September, do y'all remember, last contender, standing blast, after the chaos, comes the feast, ceasefire, adopt a sire, not for hire, I got the whack ass fucking lyrics, or maybe not, this is realistic, shout out to Cryptic Jedi and Planet, catch it while I drop it, Tropic no stopping mud, that's what's up, Buttercut Street, on the Jersey, mostly sharing smokes with me, you ain't my enemy, you are my friend, with me internal, living in the castle, give me no hassle, keep the 10 commandments, sound demented to some, having fun, eating some buns, with the bank fund, fundamentally, dimension, check this song, all I am is on, till the break, style ain't fake, like I don't awake, in the morn, looking at porn, no graphic lyrical, in the fornia, subliminal lyricist, smoking the cess, driving my best as they went west and still crept with the cryptic, check it, mad flow, in the thorough, act as if, smoking the spliff in the sticks of Philly, feeling iggity off the wiggity, check my style, like the Carl Lewis, and y'all knew this, lyrics that can't be disputed, whack MCs, I muted it, as you maledicted, I caused the crucifixion, then bounced with a malediction, sit it in the kitchen, making chicken, check it, the shit that I be spitting, become a technician, then a politician, mad labels that are hidden, blowing up MCs at night at age 26, beware the 6-3-6, grab y'all crucifix, making ganja is an inoculation for a virus, lyrical sire, not for hire, as I put Satan in the fire, yo, what's up, with that, grab my dictionary, kinda scary, not on the contrary, armpit Harry, praying the Hail Mary, yo, what's up with that? I be puffing on the blunt that's fat. The freestyle going on for miles. Yo, for what? Yo, for the 5-6 represented. I chill with the Q demented. I get Bennett all day. I puff a blunt on the 7th day. On the Sabbath, I flow with the AC/DC.